In this quick Godot tip, I'll show you a super simple trick to make your 2D particles brighter and more glowy using Add Blending mode. This works great for fire, magic, sparks, explosions, and any glowing effect in your game. Start by adding a GP Particles 2D node to your scene. Assign a particle process material and set up your particles however you like. Adjust lifetime, spread, gravity, and color to get your base effect. Particles look much better with a soft texture. Use a circle gradient or soft glow sprite as your particle texture. You can import a simple white glow texture and tint it using the color settings. Here's the trick that makes everything glow. Select your GPU Particles 2D node, then go to the Canvas Items section in the inspector. Find Blend mode and change it from Mix to Add. Instantly, your particles become brighter and start glowing when they overlap. This works because Add Blending stacks light values instead of just layering color. To push the glow further, increase particle color brightness. Use lighter colors like yellow, cyan, or white. Add a gradient that fades out smoothly. Increase emission amount for stronger glow buildup. You can also combine this with a glow bloom effect in your world environment for even more intensity. Without Add Blending, particles look flat. With Add Blending, they feel like real light sources. And that's it, a simple one-click trick to make your 2D particles glow in Godot. Try it with fire, magic, lasers, or UI effects, and you'll instantly get better visuals. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick Godot tips.